Hey guys, sorry about the last time. It's like the audio wasn't working, right? So you guys weren't hearing me. Gold has pushed down while I was trying to set this all up and got distracted now. Let's see. So guys, oh boy, this is where you should have entered. But let's see. Let's just keep watching. I need to know how to figure out this whole YouTube something. Let's just got me distracted. So guys, got distracted with this whole setup I'm trying to do. We might have missed this right now because oh shit, man. But let's see. This is where would have entered from by now. Probably would be locking in on break even, right? And then watch it. If price still takes us out, then that means price might actually come back down. But I didn't enter. So let's just wait. Let's see. Let's see. This might go now. Oh boy. I came on live the first time. The audio wasn't clear. It wasn't working. I just realized it wasn't working. So I had to now start trying to figure out what was going on. Went off, came back on. And the process, Go just did this. Oh boy. So I'm just gonna wait. Now, if you watch the previous slides, I told you that we're waiting for price to actually take out this low and then give us some kind of rejection. And and that was what just happened here now. If you watch the previous lives that I had to close, I was talking about this, but the audio wasn't working right. So it looks like gold is going to be leaving me now. I can't just jump in on this trade. But there's a tendency for it to still come down and drop again. Let's just see. There's a small chance for it to still drop if it really wants to push up from here. So what's gold going to do? What's gold going to do? Oh boy. So like I said guys, this might still drop. If it does, then good for us. Let's see. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure. You see. Gold, 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 gold. Damn. Oh boy, because I was trying to get the audio fixed. Ah shit. So ooh. Gold looks like it's going to go. Damn. Why this kind of distraction? Damn. Oh shoot. You've been in on this trade. I'm locked in by now. And my trades always target the first 1 to 10. This is just crazy. It's crazy, it's crazy. Gold, I need you to push back down. I need you to push back down. I need you to push back down. Gold, gold, gold. Are you just gonna leave me like that? If gold does something that I wanted to do right now, then it's even going to be a much better entry than this other one. Who does it? Okay guys, so let's see. go down, go down, push down. Push down. See, that's why I don't like jumping in on a trade when my setup is already gone. So when the setup is already gone, we'll just have to wait and see. Probably we'll see another better setup, right? Price is around a zone. That's what we all need to understand. Price is around the zone where price could actually push up from, right? So what we're doing is waiting for a good opportunity to actually get in once we see a clear, you know, here was one. We could have gotten in here for break even, but as you can see, price now began to reject back down. Sometimes price could reject back down from here and then, but push up back, or it could actually break lower and give us something that we need. But there's something I'm seeing on the 5 minutes um, that's making me think that price might actually even push lower, right? It's something that's making me think the price might actually push lower. And that's not bad. So let's just watch. Let's just keep a close eye on it. Come on, I need it to push lower. I need to push lower. Global, come on. I need to push lower, not go up from here. Impulsively, one would want to enter just from here, but I can't do that. I have a plan, a trading plan already, so I have to stick to it. If it's not what I'm looking for, then I have to just let the market go. If it lifts me, then fine, but it's not always good, right? It doesn't always feel good when you know a price is about to do something and then it leaves you and then you're behind. That's what people call FOMO, fear of missing out. And sometimes that FOMO, the fear of missing out, can actually make you lose more and can actually make you blow your account. And so that's why it's good for you to actually be very disciplined. Stick to your plan, stick to your strategy. Only get in on a trade when you see exactly what you're looking for, right? when you see the patterns and the confirmations that you're looking for, when everything aligns properly. If they don't, you stay away from the charts. You just wait until you see that proper setup. Why's gold playing with us? Gold always does this sometimes. We're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting. Now, some people, okay, let me not say this now, maybe some other time. Dun, 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 dun. Gold is playing with us, gold is playing with us, gold is playing with us, but can't do nothing. Can't do nothing now. Like I said, could still push up from here, so long as it's still above this zone. We could still push up, but I don't want to do that. I want to wait for it to break it. I want to wait for it to break it or sweep it or something. What's this? Gold, 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 gold. Come on. don't leave without me. Don't leave without me. The more gold continues to do this, the more it makes one feel like it's gonna leave without you, right? The way gold keeps moving. Why sometimes it's just trying to mess with your emotions, and you just have to just be calm, be patient, and just wait. One thing I came to a conclusion of was that no matter how many opportunities you think you miss, the charts are still going to present you with another opportunity sometime later. So you just have to wait. I really would have loved for the 5 minutes to really close very bearish. Something I'm looking at. And the 15 minutes too as well. I like how they close in bullish. Guess I think I understand. Let's just see. Looks like I'm going to be waiting just a little bit more. I'm seeing on the 5 and on the 15 now. Gold is moving funny. It's moving funny. Go. What are you trying to do? Looks like it has broken it. for this 15 minutes candle to close first. But I just hope I don't see any major rejection now. That will make me want to get in. But even if I do, let's just watch and see what happens. Okay, I'm going in now. Well, break even quickly if it goes because of something I'm saying. So if this doesn't hold, then my stop is just below here. I don't like how the 5 minutes is looking. That's why. Well, let's see. Let's see. Looks like it's taking us out. Okay. Go, 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 go. That's why I wanted to wait for the 15 minutes, but it's all good. Okay, so now we're going to wait. I'm not going to get in on any trade now. I'm going to wait. Go, go, go. Yeah, it's good that the 15 minutes close quite bearish. That's good. Let's just watch and see. So I'm looking at surprised they took us out. Gold is trading funny. You know, based on the analysis we gave during the weekend, we said gold could actually. Let's go back down to. Let's go to daily. Yeah, gold did something funny here. I told you guys how that gold could actually push up from here and just start going up, right? Which it did that, but then we're also looking for gold to come down into this fair value gap over here and the weekly, this weekly fair value gap over here, and this daily fair value gap over here. But gold didn't do that. Gold just continued from these rejections and just pushed all the way up. Now gold is at a point where gold rejected from this top, so it's understandable. So one has to be very careful and smart now about taking any buy trade. So you need to really know what you're doing around here. But let's see what happens. And today is FOMC also, so price might move in a funny manner, so one has to be very careful. Okay, I like what I'm seeing on gold. Just need to wait and see if what I need is going to present itself. If it presents itself, then get in. What I need to see something of this nature that happened around here. I need to see it happen somewhere around here, right? So if that happens, then probably that's when we're gonna get in. So for now, we just wait. Gold, gold, gold. What are you doing, guy? What are you doing? So, now for those of you watching, noise out there is much. So, there's something about risk management you guys need to understand. You need to know how to manage your risks properly, and sorry, the way I trade is such that I tend to risk very little amount to get a whole lot of movement, right? And that's why sometimes our trades can go into majorly would like our trade to go into, like, let's say 1 is to 10, have an arrow of 1 is to 10, minimum 1 is to 5. That's like our major first target, 1 is to 10, right? So you need to know how to manage your risk. And since we are we are entering on a very lower time frame, like the 1 minute, but we're analyzing from the higher time frame, right? The 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, and everything. But we're entering from a very lower time frame, so we can, when we get a trade right, we can get a really sniper entry, right? We get a really sniper entry, and once price goes in our direction, it just goes in our direction. We don't take so much time in drawdown, right? We don't really spend so much time in drawdown. Price either just goes in our direction or takes us out. So like I said, we're waiting to see something of this nature, this, right? If this happens here too as well, then through we go in. If it happens, then we go in. So what I need to see now is for price to push back down, take that low, and give us some rejection. like how the 5 minutes has formed. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Don't make it complicated again. Don't complicate this. Just print the patterns that we need. Print what we need. It was starting to look juicy. Yes, just go down and give us the divergence that we need. Like it will really spike down seriously and then give us a strong move up. Getting ready. Let's see. Gold, gold, gold. Gold should not complicate this for me. Just make it simple. Don't make it complex. Make it simple. I don't like too much dragging and consolidation. Just do what I want, right? I don't want too much dragging and consolidation. Just give me what I want. God is gonna make this complex now. Gonna make this complicated. I think what's about to happen is exactly what happened during Asian session that I took a buy. Took me out of break even, came back down lower. gave a good entry and I missed it because I slept off. Something similar like that is looking like it's supposed to happen. Don't complicate this for me, come on. Gold, 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 gold. Getting tired. complicate the matter. So we just keep waiting, waiting, and waiting. God has just decided to complicate the matter. Okay. Not in on this rate because it didn't give me what I wanted. I wanted it to come back down, give me divergence, then rejection, then enter, but now it seems like, oh god, just trying to frustrate somebody, but it won't work. Gold does this a lot. It could have given us what we needed around here before pushing up, but it didn't. What's it gonna do now? Just keep going up. Or what? I have to watch. If this push up leaves with all those, gold making things hard for us. I might have to leave this live soon. I didn't want to leave the live. I wanted to make sure I take a trade with you guys. Yeah, we took one here. Even though I knew it wasn't really perfect, so I minimized the risk there. Took us out. Came back down into this box I drew. Waited for this information to give up, but nothing. Just continue to push up. So we have to watch and see. Gold is really playing with us. Gold, gold, gold. Gold, what are you doing? What are you up to? Are you trying to deceive people? What's your plan? Guys, how's your trading going? Are you hitting stop losses, break even, or profits? Take profit. The life of a forex trader can be a very lonely one, boring, and can be interesting as well. Gold wants us so much to see a certain opportunity on this chart, but no, prices are overall bullish, right? So we're going to stick to looking for buys. Now, if you wanted to even sell today, the best time to have sold was when price got into this point, right? Because it hit that's why I drew the box there. You could have sold from here. It gave us what I was looking for around here. Sold from here and held it, and you see, massive move downwards. But no, I wasn't looking for sales. John Doe. I saw this too, but didn't take it because I'm only looking for sales. See, this is almost 1:10 or 1:10, sir, right? You see, the moves we always go for usually 1:10. So once we get the entry right, bye bye to the trade. So let's see if gold is going to give us what we're looking for. Oh, it's going to keep playing with us. You see, it has complicated matters now because the way the 5 minutes has formed is looking risky unless I see a drop on the I have to wait, see if we're gonna see what I need on the 5 minutes, because even if it breaks over now, 5 minutes is gonna complicate things for us. It's not easy just sitting on the charts waiting. I won't have been here, but because I'm trying to do a live video, so I've just been, moving around and doing other things while waiting. Coach, stop trying to complicate things for me. Stop trying to give me second thoughts. Just make it simple. Point the patterns exactly the way I want. Make it simple, don't complicate things. Wouldn't be surprised if price is looking at either sweeping this low or even going as low as sweeping this here. Alright, wouldn't be surprised. Maybe trying to take away the Asian low. Just want to put that there just to know that that's where that level is. See what's happening. 1 minute. There's a lot of gap. How confused is that? A 100 pips. Getting close to 12. This is almost 11. 2 more minutes to 11 Nigerian time. At 12 we might see. Okay. Let's just keep watching. Let's see. Okay. Swept it. Okay, the whole candle is closed. This is really bearish. Is it good just decide to complicate matters for us right now? We have to be very careful. The way price has formed now, I'm not sure. Even if you see what we're looking for right now, it won't really hold. We have to wait. I'll stay away from the chart for now because price might want to take away the. I want to take the Asian low, this liquidity over here. So we might still have to wait because of the way price has closed. Very bearish. Almost as though price wants to push even lower. And if it does push lower, that's not still bad because we can be looking for buys from this point. Right? This is a 50% level area or somewhere around here. So price gets into this area, then we could actually look for buys from around this zone. Hope you guys can hear me. So like I'm saying, price is acting funny. See this massive rejection on the 1 minute happening. That's like a trap. I'm not gonna get into that. No, I'm gonna get into that. I don't know. I don't trust it. Yeah, it kind of gave me what I'm looking for, but not exactly what I really am looking for. So I rather stay away, especially with how bearish this 1 hour closed. Right? So price might actually push down just a little bit lower. Why is gold trying to play with us? Alright, I'll wait. I'm not gonna jump in on this. See? Like I said, I would have entered from here. This is what we're looking for, but I don't know. I don't like how the thing closed. That might be the push we've been waiting for, but if you want to go, let it go. Gold. Why were you playing with us? Should have just given me what I wanted straight up ever since. Why make things complicated? I just go through all of this. You would have just calm down, give me what I want, and then go in. Go up. All these whole complications now. This whole thing just complicated everything. But we might still get another entry, so let's just watch. Gold. Gold. Why do you keep playing with us? So if you were if you took this trade, you would have been up like about 1:1.3. But like I said, we normally target for 1.10, but I don't think this might. But if you're in on this trade, it's better you set break even now. Better to be safe than sorry. Set break even because price might still drop low and give us another. Give us what we're really looking for. Gold. Why are you playing with me? See how gold came into this point, swept it and just pushed up. Oh boy. Gold, gold, gold. See, it swept this point and just pushed up. I was not ready to get into that trade now. Looks like it might leave me. Gold just likes to complicate things for me. Damn. Gold should have just come down to give me what I wanted again now. Looking like this was the trade. Looking like this was the trade. Well, can't know now until price really pushes high above this point. Huh? Gold. Gold. You fucked me. You fucked with me. Gold. Damn. Since I was already managing my risks, I should have taken this trade. It's not like I was going to go in. It's 11 o'clock. Good timing. Well, actually, 12 o'clock would have been better. 12:01. Let's see. Damn. It's done. Gold has done in 10 minutes what it took 1 hour to do to drop. It's gone up in just about 10 minutes, right? Just imagine. Since 10 o'clock around here, gold spin. Could just run up, okay? Same thing. Let's see. Damn it, man. Damn it, man. Damn it, man. Damn, I fucked up. I fucked up. Into this straight. I didn't take this straight. Is it because I knocked this? Oh shit, man. I didn't take it straight. That's fucked up. That's messed up. Has it gone up to 5 now? This is 5. Damn. Oh shit, man. I didn't take this straight, guys. I didn't take this straight. I said, what gold was doing here was crazy. It just complicated my whole matters here. That's why, if you watch the live, I said I just didn't like what was in here. I knew that this would give me second thoughts. If gold had just come down the way I wanted immediately, instead of all this whole stupid move up and everything, and just, oh shit, man, gold, you fucked up, you messed up. You just got me. You just played me now. You just played me. Shit. This is the move. This is the move that we were waiting for. This is the move. This is the move. This is the move. At least it looks like it's the move. Damn it, man. Gold, you just fucked me up now. Shit. What was I thinking? As soon as I saw this rejection going up, I should have entered from here. Oh boy. I think I got so distracted and I just got tired. Sitting down here. So guys, I think I'm going. Oh it played out right before our eyes and I left it alone. If you guys took this trade, then you guys are good, man. That's it, it's gone. It's gone. Oh shit, man, this trade has gone. Didn't take it. Damn, I messed up. All I needed was just to get him on the street and lock in. That's all. Oh fuck, man. Gold does this a lot. Messes with your mind. Goes, oh shit, man. Okay, that's it. Some off, guys. Hope you have a wonderful trading week, trading day. I believe another opportunity is going to present itself much later, but I think this level is gone. Price might not come down back here again, so we're going to have to look for another opportunity up. So that means if you're in on this trade, just hold it. Price is most likely going to keep going high from here. Lucky you guys. Get it. So price might not come back down again. Price will just most likely keep going up from here, and it will get up to this point and probably even break higher. But we have a gap over here, so let's see. I have to wait. You know that there's some FOMC today, so we don't know what will happen. But if you're in already from this point, then you got in at a good point. You got in at a good point. Just hold it. Just hold it. Even if price comes back down, right, then that means we're going to see another opportunity to get in. But I doubt it's going to come back down. I doubt. It's moving up from here. So that's it, guys. Thanks. Bye. I'm off. Just came online, stayed online, and I missed the opportunity. Just imagine. I think this whole life something can really be